Hello, lovely people. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can calm down or diffuse someone's anger. Now, these videos might be pretty long, so I'm going to be breaking them down into parts. So let's get started. But first, let us understand why do we behave the way we do when we are angry. It happens because of amygdala hijack. In simple words, the amygdala is the emotional center of the brain. So, when we are faced with intense or stressful situations, the amygdala takes over the driver's seat, preparing us for the fight or flight response. And it makes it extremely difficult for us to make use of intelligence and reasoning. And now you know why we can't just think straight in such situations. As a matter of fact, this phenomenon almost persists for about 18 minutes. So, our goal is to get over this period in order to reduce the damage done to your relationship. Okay, let's get to the ways in which we can deal with such situations. First, listen patiently. I can't stress enough on this point, but you have to listen patiently. Even if it may sound unfair to you, you just have to. Okay, when someone's angry, they are in no mood to listen to you. The best way is to let them vent it out. Do not ever try to reason with them because it will only escalate the situation. You basically have to empty their tanks and soften them with emotions. And while you have this conversation, second point is to sympathize with them. And the way you do it is just imagine what you would have felt if you were in that situation and just blatantly blurt out those emotions in an apologetic manner. Okay, what you basically have to do is just speak back to them the feelings that they would have gone through, maybe because of you. My favorite word in such situation is I understand. I understand that you are infuriated. I understand that you're angry, and so on. Right? And you have basically come to the end of this video, and if you have survived till the end, you're pretty cool. And if you want to see more of me, you can always follow, share, comment and like.